Hey everyone, I'm Ravi here and I'm from Coding4Life, and this is HTML and CSS episode 4, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your very own tables. Before I do, I just want to quickly touch on something that I completely forgot to show you guys earlier. So if you remember, I did a lesson where we went over making putting images. Now I just want to first say SRC actually stands for source. You may have written that in the comments down below, but yeah, it means source. And yeah, so first, and I also just want to show you, I will put this as tables, but I just want to show you one thing. Okay, so I just want to show you one real quick thing. Okay, so you can do image, if you do image and then shirk, and 2 colons, and let's just, okay, so what, now I know what you're thinking, you don't actually need this tag here, because it closes itself, you have to do that, but for this case, we're not going to do that, so we're just going to go to Chrome, you can type in, just say it's animated image. I'm not sure if that came up or not, but images. Let's get. I don't know if I want to look for an animated image because. Okay, I'll do. So what we're gonna do is save that image as. Let's say cool count. And what we're going to do is let's go to our files, and you want to save save the image where you keep all your where you're going to save the notepad the coding file. So if you save that, and it's saved, let's close that. And now what we're going to do is just type in cool and actually cool count.gif. Now, any image will work if it ends with JPEG, JPG, PNG, PNG, and obviously GIF. So we're just going to save that. Note 4. Hypertext markup language. Save. And now if we save it, it will run in Chrome. It's there. It is huge. And then another thing I wanted, and obviously, and that's quite useful if, so say the site that gave me this went down, that means I'd lose this GIF if it was a URL, because it's gone now, so there's no source, pretty much, hence source there. And therefore, which is what this is, such a better way of getting images. Obviously, it means you might have to save a lot of images, but it does make it so you will never have to it will never look like your site is really stupid. You've got to save it in the file where you keep all your coding documents, because otherwise it will not work. So I'm just going to keep that. So tables. Well, first you just got to start off with a simple table, and that's pretty much it for starting up the table. And now, sorry, one sec. And now what we're going to do is we are going to type. Bear with me. There we go. We're going to type in. No, great, now this one. Okay, never mind. So now what we're going to do is type in. So I'm trying to find. Oh yeah, here we are. I had this all planned, and then I lost the sheet. tr/tr. I'm just going to close off the table. So, table obviously starts off the table, and tr stands for table row. So now, let's say that. And now what you want to do is type in between these gaps. That's right. TD slash TD TD slash TD, and then the number of times you do the TR and the TDs is the number of times you're going to get a row. So now let's type in A, B, C, and D, and if we save that now and run it in Chrome, A, B, I should remove that. In fact, you know, make it smaller. That's another thing I want to do. I'm covering a bit quite. I'm going to go quite, jumping in this episode. If you do space now and then width, no, sorry, height 150. And then a width 150. Let's save that. That basically I think it's because that's the same size. Let's make that 50. I'm pretty sure that's good. I may have not done it right. If so, it might be in equals actually. I think it's in equals. Let me check. Yeah, it's an equals. Sorry, that's my bad. Yeah, and you can see that is actually correct now. Yeah, it's shrinked massively, as you can see. So that's another way. You can also do that with the other image circ. In fact, you know what I'm gonna do? What's I'm gonna do? Okay, never mind. But yeah, it does work with if you want to check out the image circ, go back to my previous episodes. I think it's episode either 1 or 2. I'm not sure. I kind of forgot. And yeah. But anyway, back to the tables. If you remember, we were doing TR stands for table row. TD, I'm not sure exactly what that stands for, but it's basically a table cell. And as we saw, if we go into Chrome again, it pretty much looked very basic. As you can see, it went A, B, C, D. This was one row, this was the second row. Obviously, it's a little bit boring. We don't really want that. So we want it in a kind of proper table. So what we do is we go to our opening table tag, space style. This is what I'm going to get wrong, I swear. Code, God. Equals, speech marks, border, 1, and then px. Actually, let's make it nice. Okay, yeah, let's do 1 px first. Probably got this wrong as well, but yeah. Yeah, I did. Okay. I can't remember anything today. I've got very little sleep in the past few days, so I'm struggling a bit. I'm so stupid. Yeah, so some of you may and may not have been yelling at me. Yeah, actually, sorry, I lost all my notes. It's just table space border 1 equals 1, and then however many you want. But you have got to put the image in. Speech marks in. Okay, that will work. I know it will. So I've literally just found my notes. I'm trying to find them, and there you go. There it is. There it is. You can make it bigger. Let's make it 18 px. That's huge. And as you can see, there's a sort of kind of that'll happen as it gets bigger. But actually, I want a title for my thing. I want a title. So what we do is underneath table we do T head, and within this T head fold up, so file, whatever you want to call it. You want to type in. Okay, yeah. So, and then the title. So let's call this A B. 4 letters of alphabet, and /D, and then you got to do /T head, and then now that we've done a T head, because we've done a T head, we need a T body, so otherwise the script will not work. So we just do the open and closing tags, and that's pretty much it. So as you can see, it goes T head in between the thurs. It's like after before and after the th, and after that T-body, just like you would see it here. So now that we've done that, pretty straightforward, we get, if I save it now, or run in Chrome, letters of the alphabet. As you can see, and that's obviously in bold. But actually, I wanted to span over this B as well, because as you can see, it's just going over the A and C. So what we do is we just go to the th, col span, and I'm just going to check my, col span, I've got this now, equals, and then the number. Now you can't go over, I don't believe, so if I did 5, that's the number of rows we have. We have 2 rows, therefore, it will never go over. See, it will never go over. If I do 2, I'm on in Chrome, and it was saved. I don't know if you saw, but it was saved. Pretty much, it just becomes more square. I don't know if you saw in the last one, it was slightly over. That's pretty much it. Like, so cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it, actually. Yeah, not much else I can say, really. What the heck is that? Okay, anyway. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. I mean, I'll look through my script. There's not much else to it yet. Okay, well, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We kind of nailed that, didn't we? So, what we learned today, new image way of making images, probably a lot better than the other one. And found out how to make tables. Next episode, I'll be teaching you guys dividers and breaks. Actually, you know what? How long has it been? Yeah, I can teach you this now quickly. So I'll teach you how to do breaks. So obviously, if you want to go again, there's a pretty big, not a lot of space between here. I want to make it big. So what we do is we go to our image circ, enter, type in BR, save it, or run in Chrome. Not much happens. That's because there you go. So you can see we've kind of made a sort of divider kind of thing. So that just makes it look sort of like, that's cool for navigation points, I guess. But another way of doing this is also to do div and say now tables. So div pretty much stands, so BR stands for break, div stands for division, but it's the division of, it's the division of the page. So if we run that in Chrome now, has it been saved? Yeah, it has been saved. Okay, so run in Chrome now, see if you can notice the difference. See, now we've got the now tables. Not really cool, really. So what I'm now going to do is, in the first div, see style, and we're going to make this really cool, equals speech marks, width, let's say, I don't know, this is definitely going on, 150 px, height, I want to keep that nice and simple, let's just say 5 px. Now, let's do colour. Actually, that's what I'm saying. Background colour. And I want to make that cyan, because it's the first thing that came to my head. And yeah, that's it. So width. If you just look at that, pause the screen now, just really note it down or something, because it is a pretty long one. Save it, pause it now, and let's run it in Chrome after it's been saved. Now, unfortunately, you can't see that as well because of the way it's just come out. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to this is where a break will come in very useful. Because this is where now it will divide the page a lot better. And, oh wow, it's thin, isn't it? Okay, sheesh. Oh yeah, 9, okay, 10. Let's just change that to 50 is a probably optimal size if you want to try and surround the text. There you go. And so now we have this now table division. It looks pretty cool. I mean, obviously I can make it longer if I wanted to. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I will do, so next episode I'll be covering span, which is like a sort of a short way of doing div, but for these kind of letters. That'll be next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Also, I'll be doing span next week. Sorry, next week. Span, and how to make a coloured up link. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. My name is Ravi. Goodbye.